Welcome to my vlog. We're so excited to have you here today. In this video, we want to give you a warm introduction about multimedia and ICT. Multimedia refers to the combined use of different forms of media, such as text, image, audio, video, and interactive elements to convey information or create an engaging experience. It encompasses various technologies and platforms including computers, the internet, mobile device, and digital media. Multimedia has become an integral part of our daily life with its application, entertainment, and education. Multimedia content can be categorized into different types such as text-based content, image, audio, video, and animation. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It refers to the use of technology to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate information. ICT encompasses a wide range of technologies including computers, software, networks, and telecommunication and digital devices. ICT plays a crucial role in a modern society, transmitting the way we communicate, access information, and conduct business. It enables the different processing, storage, and sharing of data, allowing individuals and organizations to work more effectively and make informed decisions. The use of multimedia has revolutionized various industries, including journalism, advertising, education, and entertainment. It allows for the creation of interactive and immersive experience, enabling users to engage with content in a more dynamic and personalized way. The field of ICT covers various areas including computer hardware and software, telecommunication networks, internet technologies, digital media, and information systems. It involves the development, implementation, and management of these technologies to support various applications and services. ICT has revolutionized communication, making it faster, more convenient, and more accessible. It has facilitated exchange of information and ideas across geographical boundaries, connecting people from different parts of the world. Through ICT, we can communicate through email, instant messaging, video conferencing, and social media platforms. Overall, multimedia and ICT go hand in hand, with ICT providing the technological structure and tools necessary for the creation, distribution, and consumption of multimedia content. The combination of multimedia and ICT has opened up new possibilities for creativity, collaboration, and communication in various fields.
Audio Jungle.